here at Maple Motors. Got an 81 Trans Am. We're going to take for a test drive. I got another walk-around description video. This car is 17.9. It is a 4-speed, stock number 220. Give us a call, 615-822-4444. Check our website out, weMainbsite.com. Let's go for a ride. All right. This one here is pretty fun to drive. Take her around the block, take her up to the gas station. Definitely check that because we're showing low right now, so. Straight down the road, shifts out good. I mean, it feels great. I wasn't flooring it by any means. I was about in the half throttle. It's got plenty of acceleration power. Looks like our speedometer's working, our tach's working. The oil pressure gauge does not work. It's pegged out. It looks like it's not even on the reading there. Our battery gauge is working, and I'm gonna assume our gas gauge is working, but I'm gonna stop up here and put some in it, because if it is, we're on E. We're right up here getting some gas at the gas station. All we put in is premium in every one of our cars. Throw about $20 and see if this gauge comes up. All right. Looks like it's starting to come up, so the gas gauge does work. All right, let's take it for a ride. Throttle response. If you like my videos, please subscribe. If you have any questions on these cars, I post them every single day. I can try to help you out. I can get you 100 detailed photos of this car. Just email me, maplемotors@aol.com. I've also got a website you can check out, maplемotors.com. And I really appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.